Today we fix some common mistakes. Stop saying, I am having two brothers. Say, I have two brothers. Next, stop saying, she is my cousin's sister. Correct sentence? She is my cousin. Stop saying, I am understanding. Then what should I say? Say, I understand. Stop saying, he only came yesterday. Correct sentence? He came only yesterday. Stop saying, do one thing. Say, here's what you should do. Stop saying, I will call you back only. Correct sentence? I will call you back. Stop saying, where you are going. Say, where are you going? Stop saying I'm in tension. Say, I am stressed or I'm worried. Stop saying, my phone is switched off. Then what should I say? Say, my phone is turned off. Stop saying, pass out from college. Correct sentences, I graduated from college. Stop saying, what is your good name? Just say, what is your name? Stop saying, I am going to home. Correct sentence? I am going home. Stop saying, discuss about this. Say, discuss this. Stop saying, he gave me an advice. Correct sentence? He gave me advice. Don't say, I am going to home. Say, I am going home. Don't say, she do not like coffee. Say, she does not like coffee. Don't say, he is having a car. Say, he has a car. Don't say, return back soon. Say, return soon. Don't say, can able to do it. Say, can do it. Don't say, one of my friend. Don't say, I look forward to meet you. Say, I look forward to meeting you. Don't say, despite of the rain, we went out. Say, despite the rain, we went out. Don't say, he is superior than me. Say, he is superior to me. Don't say, I have less friends. Say, I have fewer friends. Don't say, neither of them are ready. Say, neither of them is ready. Don't say, she suggested me to apply. Say, she suggested that I apply. Don't say, I am interested for this job. Say, I am interested in this job. Don't say, he denied to help me. Say, he denied helping me. Don't say, the meeting was comprised of 5 members. Say, the meeting comprised 5 members. Don't say, I prefer tea than coffee. Say, I prefer tea to coffee. Don't say, he emphasized on the issue. Say, he emphasized the issue. Don't say, she married with a doctor. Say, she married a doctor. Don't say, I am accustomed with this routine. Say, I am accustomed to this routine. Don't say, he is capable to handling this. Don't say, the lecture was bored. Say, the lecture was boring. Don't say, no sooner did he arrive when it started raining. Say, no sooner did he arrive than it started raining. Don't say, hardly had I reached than the train left. Say, hardly had I reached when the train left. Don't say, each of the students have completed the task. Say, each of the students has completed the task. Don't say, he is one of those people who never follows rules. Say, he is one of those people who never follow rules. Don't say, scarcely I had entered the room when everyone clapped. Say, scarcely had I entered the room when everyone clapped. Don't say, if I would have known, I would help you. Say, if I had known, I would have helped you. Subscribe for more. Don't say, one of the book is missing. Say, one of the books is missing. Don't say, neither the teacher nor the students was present. Say, neither the teacher nor the students were present. Don't say, I wish I would be taller. Say, I wish I were taller. Don't say, she explained me the process. Say, she explained the process to me. Don't say, he is good in mathematics. Say, he is good at mathematics. Don't say, I and my friend went there. Say, my friend and I went there. Don't say, the news are shocking. Say, the news is shocking. Don't say, he behaves as. Don't say, he behaves as if he is the boss. Say, he behaves as if he were the boss. Don't say, she has a good command in English. Say, she has a good command of English. Don't say, he is addicted with gaming. Say, he is addicted to gaming. Don't say, the sceneries here are beautiful. Say, the scenery here is beautiful. Don't say, she is senior than me. Say, she is senior to me. Don't say, he entered into the room quietly. Say, he entered the room quietly. Don't say, I discussed about the issue. Say, I discussed the issue. Don't say, she lacks of confidence. Say, she lacks confidence. Don't say, he ordered for a coffee. Say, he ordered a coffee. Don't say, I am living here from 2020. Say, I have been living here since 2020. Don't say, she is capable to sing well. Say, she is capable of singing well. Don't say, he requested me to help him. Say, he requested that I help him. Don't say, the furniture are expensive. Say, the furniture is expensive. Don't say, he is married with her. Say, he is married to her. Don't say, I prefer coffee over tea. Say, I prefer coffee to tea. Don't say, she emphasized on punctuality. Say, she emphasized punctuality. Don't say, he is lacking of experience. Say, he lacks experience. Don't say, the teacher gave us many homeworks. Say, the teacher gave us a lot of homework. Don't say, she is my colleague friend. Say, she is my colleague. Don't say, I reached at the station late. Say, I reached the station late. Don't say, he is absconding from school. Say, he is absent from school. Don't say, the reason is because I was tired. Say, the reason is that I was tired. Don't say, she told that she was busy. Say, she said that she was busy. Don't say, he cut the call. Say, he hung up the call. Don't say, I gave the exam yesterday. Say, I took the exam yesterday. Don't say, pass me the salt. Say, please pass me the salt. Don't say she returned back home early. Say, she returned home early. Don't say, he is very weak in English. Say, he is very poor at English. Don't say, I have a doubt. Say, I have a question. Don't say, do the needful. Say, please take the necessary action. Don't say, revert back to me soon. Say, reply to me soon. Don't say, he passed away yesterday night. Say, he passed away last night. Don't say, I am not understanding this topic. Say, I do not understand this topic. Don't say, she gave me many informations. Say, she gave me a lot of information. Subscribe for more sentences. Don't say, I have seen him yesterday. Say, I saw him yesterday. Don't say, she is residing in Bhopal. Say, she lives in Bhopal. Don't say, he is working from last year. Say, he has been working since last year. Don't say, I forgot my phone in home. Say, I left my phone at home. Don't say, he is my real brother. Say, he is my brother. Don't say, she is my cousin's sister. Say, she is my cousin. Don't say, please off the fan. Say, please turn off the fan. Don't say, I am having headache. Say, I have a headache. Don't say, what is the time in your watch? Say, what time is it? Don't say, I am preparing for government exams from 2 years. Say, I have been preparing for government exams for 2 years. Don't say, he gave me a suggestion. Say, he gave me some advice. Don't say, I did a mistake. Say, I made a mistake. Don't say, she came by walk. Say, she came on foot. Don't say, my English is weak. Say, my English needs improvement. Don't say, he didn't reply to me. Say, he didn't reply to me. Don't say, I am waiting your reply. Say, I am waiting for your reply. Don't say, this is too much difficult. Say, this is too difficult. Don't say, he is my childhood friend since school. Say, he has been my friend since childhood. Don't say, she is elder than me. Don't say, I am doing a job. Say, I have a job. Don't say, he is in abroad. Say, he is abroad. Don't say, I am coming in 5 minutes. Say, I will be there in 5 minutes. Don't say, she is my batchmate friend. Say, she is my batchmate, Dawn. Say, I have completed my graduation. Say, I graduated. Don't say, he is out of station. Say, he is out of town. Don't say, please explain me this. Say, please explain this to me. Don't say, I am belonging to India. Say, I am from India. Don't say, she gave her interview yesterday. Say, she had her interview yesterday. Don't say, he is my distant relative brother. Say, he is my distant relative. Don't say, the meeting has been postponed to next week only. Say, the meeting has been postponed until next week. Don't say, I am searching my keys. Say, I am looking for my keys. Don't say, he reached home safely only now. Say, he just got home safely. Don't say, she is giving an exam tomorrow. Say, she is taking an exam tomorrow. Don't say, I am free now. Don't say, he has a lot of works to do. Say, he has a lot of work to do. Don't say, I am getting late, isn't it? Say, I am getting late, aren't I? Don't say, she is good at studies. Say, she is good at studying. Don't say, he gave me a valuable advice. Say, he gave me valuable advice. Don't say, I am not having enough money. Say, I don't have enough money. Don't say, the exam will be conducted on Monday. Say, the exam will take place on Monday. Don't say, she has less opportunities than him. Say, she has fewer opportunities than him. Don't say, he is more intelligent than any student in the class. Say, he is more intelligent than any other student in the class. Don't say, I am fed up from this. Say, I am fed up with this. Subscribe for more.